Welcome back. It's the grand finals of the 41st consecutive season of TVJ Schools Challenge Quiz. The scores have been changed somewhat after a judge's review, and they're now St. Jago on 28 points and Kingston College on 29 points. And Kingston College gave the wrong answer for the question, how many naturally occurring isotopes does hydrogen have? While St. Jago, to the question, what is the title of the book in which Charles Darwin first proposed his theory of evolution, included the word means in the title? It's not in the title. So it's now on to section 3. In this section, questions will be thrown open to both teams. 2 points will be added for the correct answers. 2 points will be subtracted if the answers are incorrect. And the teams, remember, you must be identified before you answer or you will lose 2 points. The teams have been briefed on all the other rules, so let's begin. Bible knowledge. What is the name of the priest who met Abraham on his return? Go ahead, Casey.
Melchizedek.
Melchizedek is correct. Biology. Name the Italian doctor who in 1661, with the aid of a microscope, discovered the capillaries of the human circulatory system. Go ahead, St. Jago.
Italian.
Gabriele Falloppio.
Incorrect. It's Marcello Malpighi. English language. This 8-letter adjective beginning with E is a word of Greek origin. It means selecting what appears to be best from various styles. What is the word? That's eclectic. Local and international affairs. Look at the following clip. Identify the person. Go ahead, St. Jago.
Otney Lawrence.
That is correct. Chemistry. This chemist, a wealthy nobleman, was guillotined in the aftermath of the French Revolution. He's widely regarded. Go ahead, KC.
Antoine Lavoisier.
That is correct. Music. Listen to the following clip. Identify the singer. Go ahead, St. Jago.
Spaghetti.
Correct. General knowledge. What is the full name of the Global Voluntary Group, which is the parent organization for Key Club and Circle K? Kiwanis International Spanish. ¿A cuántos estamos hoy? What am I asking? Go ahead, St. Jago.
When is today?
When is today? What date is today?
Judges, do we accept? Okay, judges will decide that. Geography. A South American city located on the shores of the Pacific Ocean is the largest and most populous city, as well as the main port in Ecuador. What is its name? Go ahead, St. Jago.
Quito.
Incorrect. Guayaquil. Theater and cinema. Look at the following clip and identify the person. Go ahead, St. Jago.
Morgan Freeman.
Correct. Information technology. The first program that is run when a computer. Go ahead, KC. Incorrect. It's ROM or PROM. History. In 1815, the Duke of Wellington defeated Napoleon at the Battle of Waterloo. In which modern countries? Go ahead, KC.
Belgium.
Correct. Mathematics. What is the approximate arc length subtended by an angle of 178 degrees on a circle of radius 14 meters? Take pi to be 22/7. (44 meters). Physics. What is the speed of sound in dry? Go ahead, St. Jago.
331 meters per second.
Incorrect. 346 meters per second. Sport. Look at the monitor and identify this person. Go ahead, KC. That is correct. Jamaican heritage. With which member of the British royal family did Sir Alexander Bustamante dance during Go ahead, St. Jago.
Princess Margaret.
Princess Margaret.
That is correct. French. Give the English equivalent proverb for Il faut casser le noyau. Go ahead, St. Jago.
No pain, no gain.
No pain, no gain.
That is correct. Literature. Which Jamaican poet wrote the anthology Shame Trees Don't Grow Here, but Poinciana's Bloom? Velma Pollard. Which artist did the work The Judgment of Paris? Go ahead, KC.
Peter Paul Rubens.
That is correct. Bible knowledge. Which 2 Old Testament characters for their interpretation of dreams represented with? Go ahead, Kingston College.
The butler and the baker.
Incorrect. Joseph and Daniel. Biology. What is the scientific name of the brand of tissue that connects two cerebral hemispheres of the human. Go ahead, St. Jago.
Colossum.
Corpus callosum.
That is correct. English language spell liaison. Go ahead, St. Jago.
Liaison.
That is correct. Local and international affairs. Who is United Nations? Go ahead. And that's the end of the match. That's the end of the match. The champions of TVJ Schools Challenge Quiz 2010 are St. Jago High.